Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In today's video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding word examples for the consonant letter L. The consonant letter L gives the sound L, L, as in lip, list, lab, late, lady, lamp, laugh, liquid, listen, location, letter. So follow me as I open up the slashes now and transcribe the words, okay? And remember, transcribing words is not meant for only pupils and students. It's good for everybody. It helps to boost our brains. So let's transcribe them. This is lay. You bring in your L and your P. And this is list. This one is lab. I hope this is good. Let me just write it. I'm sorry. Let me make it bold. Lab. Okay, I think it's bold enough now. And this is late. This is lady. My beautiful lady. This is lamp. Lamp. And this is laugh. This one is lay. Liquid. Yeah, liquid. And this one is listen. Listen, the letter T is silent, okay? Listen. Please take note. And this is low. K. The swimming is coming in. Shun. Location. And this one is letter. That's just it. So let's close out the slashes and then let's close them up and sound. Thank you so much for watching my video. The Lord bless you. Okay, let's go. First one is lip, list, lab, late, lady, lamp, laugh, liquid, listen. You are listening. You listen. The letter T is not there. Listen. Location. Location. Which location? Letter. Let me take it just once more. Lip. List. Lab. Late. Do not be late to work. Lady. Lamp. Laugh. Liquid. Listen, location, letter. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. And if you are yet to subscribe, please, I am just pleading, encourage me. The Lord bless you once more.